Assalamualaikum viewers. Today I am once again not taking your reading. I am sharing my new deck with you. This is from China and it is Magic of the World. Yes, Magic of the World Tarot. And it is come in this little box. And I bought it through Dross.pk. And this is its front, sides, and this is its back. There is some cards they are shown over here, and these are the cards, and this is the little booklet. It comes with these cards. Okay, it is written in Chinese and we can't know what they are telling us over here. This is the booklet. We don't use it. Okay, these are the extra cards, and there's something written on it. Magic of the World. There is someone that is coming or passing away in your life around the clock, so you may lose sight of those seen and forget those remembered. There is a gain and loss in your life, so you may catch sight of those unseen and remember those forgotten. Nevertheless, doesn't the unseen exist for sure? Will the remembered remain forever? This is what they say. And then we got this all phrase written in the Chinese language. Mysterious legend. Yes, maybe this is their other tarot card deck. And this is the back of the cards. Now we are going through the deck. This is the Fool card. This is the first card, and Fool represents a foolish person taking the leap of the faith, taking the step, being brave. Okay. Now this is the magician, and he is manifesting. Look, his one hand is overhead, and one hand is under this flower. He is manifesting something over here. Then this is the High Priestess. She is holding a book and she is doing something with magic. Something over here. There is the moon and star sign over here. Okay. This is her intuitions. Okay. This is the Empress card, and she is holding her heart. She wants to give her love, her heart, her passion to someone else. She is closing her eyes. She is not seeing anything. She is just loving others, sacrificing for others. Okay, this is the Emperor card. He is open his eyes and looking at the perspectives, at the thing, at the situation. Knowledgeable person, and he is holding sword, a crown, I think so, some cross thing. Okay, this is Hierophant, a leader. Sorry, the teacher, wise person, and maybe he is restricting someone, telling to not to do that something. And this is the Lovers card with 6 number. This is the Lovers card, and this is father and his daughter's love. It is about the father and daughter's love. I think it's mostly beautiful than other cards, because I like this father and daughter's love. I think it is like this. or maybe this is girlfriend and boyfriend, I don't know. Okay, this is the chariot card with 7 number, black and white horse. It is explaining everything. Maybe he is fighting with someone, having a battle, because I think he is holding his sword. Okay, strength card, she is petting this lion and he is enjoying it. And hermit card, uh, searching for his way in the light of his lantern. And devil card, this is sorry, this is not the devil card, this is wheel of fortune with this 10 number of 10. And when this is upside, this is good fortune, happiness, angels. And upside down, this is devil, danger. And then this is justice card with this scale and sword. And hangman, oh, cute. I like the shadow behind it, and then this light things. And then this is death card. Yes, this is kite, this is the angel of the death, the skeleton, fire. What is this? Maybe this is a butterfly, transition. And this is, what is this? 14. Okay, this is temperance card. Yes, with these two glasses, water. It's temperance card. This is the devil card, 15 number devil card. Childlike person making the mistakes, and someone is telling him to do it, to do the mistakes. Okay, tower card, 16 number. This is a tower, and lightning, fire, breaking tower. And underneath it, this is the waves. I think there's some kind of storm over here. Okay, then we have 7. Okay, this is a star card. This is the little bit different from other cards. There are these stars and a child, innocent, cute child. Okay, moon card with 18 number. What is she doing? Maybe she is holding something. What is she doing? I don't know. Okay, this is the sun card. She is holding the sun. She is having the sun in her hand. Authority, success. Majority likes her. And this is judgment card. Yes, the angel is blowing the trumpet. Angel, this is the judgment card. Now this is the word. Wow, beautiful bird. Holding the clouds maybe in her hand. There's water, birds, planets, all things. Then this is the ace of the cups. Ace of the cups, overfilled by love with water. Two of cups. Maybe someone is manifesting someone over here, other person. And three of cups, enjoying, having a good time, dancing. And this is four of cups, and missing someone, missing her drop of cups, cup. Yes, emotionally, she is feeling something emotionally with this water. Okay, with this 5 of cups, maybe she have no interest in these other cups, or She don't think that this is her mistake. If these cups are dropping, she is not crying, or maybe she is escaping from her mistakes. I think so with this card. And six of cups. Uh, Meeting with the old friends, enjoying, calling the past. Hmm. She's very beautiful. Her hairs are very beautiful. She's reading some kind of Tyra or something. Rathwa. I don't know what is this. Okay, this crow is bringing her something over here. This mirror or something. A spoonful of something. Healing maybe. Okay, this is a seven of cups. Desiring. Uh, Overfilled by emotions. Okay. Then eight of cups. Moving moving from the bad situation, from bad time, bad pupils, and she is not even watching at her back. she she is looking at the sky or at this cup. She want to have this, she want to have the happiness, or maybe she has something in her mind and she is leaving something that is not serving her anymore. Nine of cups. uh, Look how she holding her hand. She is very happy, she is enjoying it. Money, happiness. Okay, then this is ten of cups. A mother is holding her baby. Happy home life, love, loving home, loving partner. Okay, then this is the page of the cups. This lady, she is offering something, she is proposing other person, apologizing. And with this card, someone is taking off her or his maybe, look her his hand. I think this is a man, and he is taking off his mask, telling the truth. Okay, confessing something, telling the truth. She is holding this, I think this is a babe. He is holding it, having the control of someone. Maybe this is the bottle emerging from the water, and this is the string. He is holding the string over here. And this is the Queen of Cups. Beautiful, healing, mother-like authority, a mother-like person. And this is the father of, I can say, I mean that this is the King of Cups or chalices or water. He is defending someone. I think he is having the fight with someone. He is holding his trident and he is looking at this direction. Then this is the suit of swords. Okay, there is oh, can you see, there is a snake and a vulture. They are having the fight. Maybe they are fighting for this sword. A clarity, a reality of something, clarity of why they are fighting, or which thing they are fighting. Some kind of clarity over the fighting, over the quarrel, over the battle. Two of swords. mm, and she is still not watching at the front, she is watching at the side. She don't know what is going on, what is good for them or her. She's maybe blocking someone over here, but not directly she is blocking, she is just holding these swords. Okay. And then with this pink hairs and blue clothes. Pink is for love and blue for emotions. Okay. And three of swords. Okay, there are three swords. Wow, one snake. There is a snake for each card of sword, and he is devouring this herd. Look at it. He is devouring this herd, eating this herd. Oh. And then four of swords. He is taking nap while the enemy, because snake resemble the enemy, and he is watching him. He don't know that he have any enemy with him, and he is taking a rest. He is relaxing while this person is doing his job. Otherwise this card is for healing and taking a rest and decide something over. Okay, take a time alone. Okay, and with this five of swords. Okay, I think he's wearing the mask. Ooh, he's playing the chess. He's playing with other person's emotions. I think he's wearing the mask, or he has something in her mind, his mind. What is this? Oh, some evil-like thing, devil-like thing. He is a devil, I think. And with this six of swords, she want to overcome her bad feelings, to pass the bad things, bad time. But these snakes are, they are not letting them go, her go. She is trying to fly. Okay, now seven of swords. Two persons having the hold on someone. Strings are in their hands, and they are playing with them, or they are handling them, having the control over somebody. Whereas this card is for cheating and deceiving. Nine of swords. Eight of swords. Eight of swords. Stucking over somewhere. Oh, can you see that she is holding the sword and he is coming towards her? He is blindfolded. He is not looking at anything. He can't look at her. That she is holding the sword at the back of her. Oh, deceiving, once again deceiving. She is having a nightmares because of this snake. She is having the thoughts. The snake is her thoughts. Sleepless nights. Ten of swords. Stuck over something. Having the will to do something, to fly over, uh, to have a freedom, independence, and also backstabbed by others. Okay, now there's this other card which calls what do this call? Okay, this dinosaurs. Okay, this is the, yes, this is page of swords with this snake. He is having the enemy on his shoulder, on his sleeve, with him. Cheater person, a childlike person, want to have something, uh, fighting for her will. Okay, this is a knight of swords, and he is killing this snake. Wow, he is fighting. There are two snakes over here. The one is the golden cobra, the other is the black cobra. Oh no, he has his attention towards this cobra, while the other one is coming from his back. Okay, this is the queen of swords, and I think she herself is a cobra or snake. She is shattering her skin. We call it Ichhadhari Nagin in Hindi. Yes, there's this. Her crown is like a snake. These things. Snake. And then King of Swords. He has something over here that is like the snake's face. Um, yes, he is also shattering his skin, changing herself. Himself, sorry. Okay, Ace of Wands. Beautiful. Look how beautiful it is. Ace of Wands. These greenery, I like it. I love it. And also the wand, how they make it. Beautiful wand with this crystal over the top. Ace of Wands, a new beginning, happy beginning, attraction towards someone, new love. Okay, will to do something new. Two of Wands, deciding something. What is he doing? He is holding these crops, these fields. They don't want to let it go, but while he have to decide something over here. He has this deer ears and deer what can I say, horns. Yes, horns. And this is a three of wands, waiting for someone, manifesting someone, struggling to do something. And this is she is the bride. Oh, she's holding the bouquet and waiting for her groom. Wow, beautiful card and new theme. I never had this a card like this. I never have seen the card like this for the three of wands. Beautiful. And then this is the four of wands. Okay, happiness, success, marriage. At the three of wands, she is waiting for her person to come for her, and now she is having the home, or there is the kid. And the stage or dear for your this is your mentor. This is here for to show you the way, what is the right way. And he is our teacher. Okay. Five of wands, having quarrel with someone, having battle, fighting with someone for your right. Okay. And then six of wands, having a victory, enjoying it. They are enjoying it. They are having the victory over something. I think for all of swords card there is snake, and for all of water card there is these fish, and for all of wands cards and there is these wands. There is what can I say? Deer type situation. What is this? Seven of wands, protecting his love, or she is telling him the truth, and he is giving her the rose. Wow, maybe revealing some kind of truth or proposing someone. Also, eight of wands, doing something with a speed, very fast, with some kind of guidance. Yes, having money. Okay, nine of wands, defending itself, protecting himself in the greenery. Okay, then ten of wands, moving towards something. Uh, she is a very, I think, a little bit stressful. She is going towards something, want to have something. And this is the page of wands. Very beautiful page of wands. Okay, then this is the knight of wands, a powerful strong man with a horse, will to independent person. This person likes to live free, not in restrictions. I think so with this card. With this handcuff, iron handcuff, I think so. Something on his knee, on shoulder. A powerful person. A person that have the power from authority. And then this is the queen of wands. Yes, queen. She's mother-like figure. She is loving, caring. She's giving a birth to something over here. These flowers. Okay, a powerful mother, a powerful figure. And with this king of wands. This is the king of wands. Father-like figure, protecting us, caring for us. And this is ace of pentacles with these two butterflies. Wow, transition, stable, uh, starting of something. Two of pentacles, juggling, don't have can't able to decide something. Pink here, having a lot of love for someone. Angel or fairy. Fairy, I think this is fairy. One more butterfly, I think so. Then this is three butterfly figures, and they are okay. There's these three butterfly. Okay, searching for something. One person is searching here, someone is here, skill work, they are doing here something. And searching for teamwork. And with this card, uh, uh, four of pentacles, blindfolded, and following others, and not letting someone do something, or stubborn person. And five of pentacles, this is um, divorce or separation, or uh, throw something out of your home, money problem. She want to have this transition. For six of pentacles, balance, charity work, and she's holding this. I think he likes something. He like that person. He is not letting go that person. He want the stability with the relation, in the relationship with that person. Seven of pentacles, doing something, and then waiting for its the profit come from it. Okay, there's this butterfly or fairy. She is doing something or dancing over here. Okay, this is the eight of pentacles, and this is for it. This is for hard work, and the skill work, getting some gain from your skilled work. And she love him, and she is getting her love back. Wow, beautiful card. And this is for the Nine of Pentacles, happy life, having all luxuries, happiness in the life. Okay, she's holding something over here. She's protecting her happiness. And with the Ten of Pentacles, happy home life, having all the luxuries of life in your home life, with your person, with your family, children's. She's enjoying it. Page of Pentacles, and okay, this is the Page of Pentacles. Okay, willing to do something stable. And Knight of Pentacle, the slow moving energy, get your work done. And the Queen of Pentacles, loving, caring mother, or a person caring for you, who they around you, those around you. Okay. And the King of Pentacles, responsible, is responsible, professional, uh, practical person. Yes. Okay, this is what I got here with this. What is the name of this? Magic of the word. And tell me in comment section, do you like these cards, or do you like the other cards? But I like most the card that is these cards, Dream of Gaia. I have the bigger version of it, but I am using this little version. This is from Draws.pk, little version. Okay, this is all I have for now. But today, if you want to buy these cards or use these cards, you can have it from Draws.pk. In this facility is only available in in Pakistan, from Draws.pk. You can buy this deck uh, from your home country, and you use your own delivery company. Okay. And I hope you like it, and tell me if you like these cards in the comments. With lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. Khuda Hafiz.